Hey there, and welcome to the cafe. So today I thought we'd do something a little different, and we're gonna do some botanicals on this little watercolor set. So I've got my graphite colors again, and today I'd like to use these three. I've got the graphite yellow. This is actually looks like a really pretty olive green, graphite blue, and graphite brown. I've got a mechanical pencil. I've got my little Kiritake, what's left of my white, and I've got some Master's Touch Gold watercolor paint here. Now this is also a Kiritake set, just so you know. Got some water, a canvas board with some watercolor tape down to it, few brushes. I've got my fan brush, a towel, a large number 24 round, a number 8 round, and a number 4 round. So I might use all these, I might not, we'll see. We're gonna start off with just a tiny bit of sketching. So now this is all dry and it's got that beautiful gold shimmer to it. I hope the camera's picking it up here. And I went ahead and painted over the lines I sketched in. I wanted this project to be a real messy look. So I grabbed a few pens here. We'll do a little bit of pen work. I've got my Uniball Signo white gel pen. And then I've got a couple microns. I've got an 05 and an 08. And I want to start with the 05 and just do some line work. I may use all these, I may not. The look I'm really wanting here is a real loose, messy look, and I'm intentionally not following the contours of each leaf. And then I want to come back and add some more line work. I really am attracted to the look of this style. I think this makes for a real interesting kind of look and style. Now I want to try something a little bit more whimsical on the insides of the leaves. Some of them I'd like to go ahead and do just a little bit of veining. And the whole idea is to not be too exact. And then on some other ones, I'd like to just kind of come in and do some weird whimsical little lines. Well, that lends a very different look to this little project here. I love to do line work. I think it feels really good to do it. It's quite a freeing art form. So I want to do just a tiny bit more. We'll mess around and then call these done. I like how these little lines came out, and I was going to do some white marking, but there's a lot of white spatter in these, and I really like the way they look just the way they are. So I'm going to go ahead and put my signature on these. I like to always kind of blend it. I do a lot of line work in my artwork, so that makes it nice. It gives me a place to throw my little signature. All right, let's go ahead and pull the tape. I did heat these up a little bit before pulling this, so you just want to be careful. If it starts to tear on you, you can stop and heat it with your heat gun a little bit. So here these are all done, and they've got some real beautiful shimmer to them with the gold watercolor paint. These are a lot of fun, and they do require special framing because of the size. This is a unique size. They're 4.5 by 12 inches. And I just really like this long rectangle size of art. So a couple ways you can handle this. You can have these custom framed. You can also paint a background on a canvas and glue this on and let the canvas be your frame. Yeah, it's just a matter of getting creative and finding different ways to display our artwork. But this is such a fun style, and I hope you enjoyed this and give it a try. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We got lots of fun projects coming up here in the cafe. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.